Where are you hiding? You can't hide.
You're gonna run, but you can't hide.
Yeah. See, you can't hide. I know. Beep. No!
Damn cats clean their territory and I'm getting tired of it.
Why?
What? You saw me cleaning the tires?
Yeah, I saw your hand go twitched.
Madison, I didn't do anything. Try to get rid of that cleaning spray hose. You guys are just weak because I can lift up that gate.
Oh, yeah. Like I said, me and that gate. I don't like gates.
Oh.
I don't. Oh. Well.
Should have used a towel or something. 'Cause now it's going to be all streaky.
Yeah.
You got a streaker, boys. I'll pick it up when I come back home.
Ah, if it's still there.
Oh, it'll be there. It'll be there. Ready?
Ready?
Here we go.
Here we go.
See, a lot faster than yesterday. On full throttle. He had a big smile on his face. Oh, come on.
Just joking.
Oh, this is doing pretty good for full throttle all that time. Hey, we're actually speeding up.
Hey, guess what? Speed button.
Speed, bud?
Speed? Oh! Rude.
The electric brake kicks in just nice too.
You had to play with the horn, didn't you?
By accident.
If they did, they had to stop, but knowing some people don't stop.
Yep. Exactly.
Beep beep. And the reason why we stopping at the store?
Mirror and pester somebody.
Who?
The
Oh,
cemetery. And so,
I like
fire case.
Yep. I got my actual license installed today, yesterday.
And I'm
Yeah.
low on funds at this time, but there's no way you can give me a better. Yeah, you started. Yeah, my original car. That's all I can afford.
Thank you.
Then what is your name?
Sean.
Sean. Sean.
That's me.
My name's Lucy.
Nice to meet you.
And this is my minor, and the other one inside the car is Atlantis.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. So
Yeah, give me a call. We'll talk. Okay. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not like throwing it away right now or nothing.
where do you live?
I just live around the corner here. Like,
Okay.
if you go down here and follow the street to the end, there's a red Bronco down there.
Is there a white one?
Yeah,
Is it
sitting in the driveway.
Sitting in the
It's
driveway?
identical.
And it's all like
Muddy.
muddy.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
I saw that
Got
one.
brand new tires on it.
Really?
Yeah, just took a picture yesterday. It's got a hole in the block about that big where my son pushed a rod through it.
You're kidding me.
No, that was my work car.
Oh my god. And so you had to get a
My wife asked me what I wanted to do with it. I'm putting my money into my Broncos, so
yeah, but
yeah. This is my money. My son's borrowed it so he gets to work. He's borrowed it so he gets to the store.
yeah. What time is a good time to
Give me a few hours because right now I'm gonna go work on my truck. And then,
I can even wait a few days.
yeah, that's fine.
But,
Like I said, it's fine. Go nowhere.
Yeah, but as I said, you know.
my soda is not going to be a soda anymore.
One-handed.
Nee, nee, nee.
See? No problem.
Nee, nee, nee. Like I said, me and Gates don't mix. I don't like Gates. Run him over! Run him over! Run him over! God damn it. Oops.
Now, because of that, you can't put that on YouTube.
Quickly, yeah. Excuse my language.
Right, you just let it die.
Yeah, you can cut it out.
We went all the way down, all the way around, and then up one street before fair, and then I got thirsty.
You should still have a few of them in there.
But non-coffee flavor.
There's a coffee in there.
Well, no.
See? Not sponsored, but I love Frappuccinos, coffee, and mocha. Huh?
Bye, everybody.
Bye!
I think you got a couple mochas.